In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Shopify with WordPress 2025. By the end, you'll have a Shopify product embedded on a WordPress page or post using the official buy button, so your visitors can browse on WordPress and check out through Shopify's secure system. Start by opening the Shopify website and signing into your store's admin. Before anything else, make sure the buy button sales channel is installed. If you don't see it in your sidebar, head to your sales channels area. From there, open the online store section, search for the buy button, and add or install it. If it's already installed, you're good to go and can move on. Next, click the buy button in your Shopify admin. You'll see an option to create a new embed. Choose Create Buy Button and then select Product Buy Button. This tells Shopify you want to embed a single product on your WordPress site. When prompted, pick the product you want to feature. If you have variants, you'll be able to include them in the button's layout. Now it's time to customize. You can adjust the button's appearance to match your WordPress theme, including layout, colors, fonts, and the action text. Keep contrast and readability in mind so your button is easy to see and click. You can choose whether the button adds the item to cart or goes straight to checkout, and you can enable or disable the floating cart widget if you prefer a cleaner page. Take a moment to preview how it will look, and when you're satisfied, click Next. Shopify will generate a small piece of code for you. Click Copy Code. This is the embed you'll place on your WordPress site, and it includes everything needed to display the product and handle the cart behavior. Now switch over to WordPress and open the page or post where you want the product to appear. In the editor, click the plus icon to add a new block. Type HTML to find the custom HTML block and select it. Click into that block, then paste the code you copied from Shopify. That's it. The embed will display your product within WordPress using Shopify's secure checkout behind the scenes. A few quick tips as you wrap up. The buy button uses JavaScript, so make sure your WordPress theme and any security plugins allow it to run. If your product doesn't appear in the editor preview, check the front-end view of the page to confirm it renders properly. And if you ever change your product details in Shopify, the embed will reflect those updates automatically.